WavTool features. WavTool is a free AI-based music production tool that allows users to create high-quality music entirely in their web browsers. With features like sidechain compression, advanced synthesis, flexible signal routing, and Conductor, WavTool provides a comprehensive and user-friendly music production experience for beginners, musicians, and producers. Key features: advanced synthesis. Explore a wide range of sounds and sonic possibilities. Sidechain compression. Achieve dynamic and impactful mixes. Flexible signal routing. Easily route audio and control signals between components and effects. Conductor guidance. Receive guidance and suggestions in plain English for music creation. Comprehensive music production. Record, compose, produce, mix, master, and export within the tool. No installation required. Access the tool directly in web browsers without the need for software installation or updates. Use cases: beginners looking for an intuitive and guided music production experience. Musicians and producers seeking a comprehensive browser-based tool for music creation. Users interested in advanced synthesis and flexible signal routing for sound exploration. Individuals who prefer a frictionless and accessible music production solution without the need for software installations. Those looking for a tool that continues to evolve and incorporate additional features based on user needs and feedback. WavTool offers an AI-powered music production platform that empowers users to create high-quality